If you've been following this channel for any length of time, you know we sell a course on how to start your business called Email 10K. And in today's video, I want to share with you something that I've been working on for months now, which is improving our online course, taking it to the next level, patching the holes and trying to make the system as foolproof as possible. So in today's video, I want to do a screen share and I'll show you some of the stuff we added to the new Email 10K 3.0. And also how we talk to customers, how we take feedback. So you can see, how do we create a solid online course? How do we stop our course from becoming what so many people fear, which is a $9.97 course that is basically a scam? The problem with most online courses is you go through, you join it, and everything is different now. Because let's say the course was filmed in like 2011, now it's whatever year it is, and it's just totally different. Or even if it was filmed a year ago or 2 years ago. So how do we make sure that that doesn't happen to our course? Because with all of this YouTube content, I'm trying to make stuff that lasts forever. Stuff that's not super timely, things that will still be relevant in even 10 years. Who knows what the world's gonna be like in 10 years, but it still needs to be relevant then. So how do we take that same framework, that same way that we approach things, and take it online to our course, Email 10K? That's what I want to talk about in today's video. Let's go over to the computer and I want to show you something. This video is brought to you by Email 10K. Learn how to book meetings with billion-dollar brands and take your company to the next level at email10k.com. So we went about improving Email 10K and I knew that our course was good. I actually thought it was pretty great, but I wanted to make it even better. So what did we do? Let me take you through it right now. The first thing we do is monthly Q&As in the Facebook group hosted by my co-founder, Robert Indresh, who's sent millions of cold emails in his own right, closed millions of dollars in business. He's asking these questions, he's answering these questions. We also do co-working Mondays where people sit around and sit in this group and work together on their cold emails. So we have a lot of data from there. And I showed you this more in depth in another video, but I did an intensive customer research process where I sat down with 8 people who hadn't purchased our course for 45 minutes each and took in-depth notes for each of those people. And I learned from each of them. So that was the first step, is getting these customer research questions down. And I also asked for feedback in the group. And you can see this is one actual module that we added to the course called White Labeling Q&A. And in this actual module, you can see I've got a question here from Jarell. I've got questions here from Jacob. And we're going through this module. We're talking about how to actually white label in depth, more questions from the community. So we're going through actual user feedback and improving based on that. And I think that's super cool. And then from that feedback, we have so many questions that we can answer. So I went through and I actually wrote new scripts because people were getting confused with part of the script. And by the way, if you want this course, email10k.com. This is just a very small preview. I went through these common questions and I did this for multiple new modules. These are the 3 new presentations, but I ended up recording about an hour and a half of new video content completely, including I got on the phone with an agency, because in the course we talk about how to book agency partnerships. So basically how to get major agencies to send you their case studies for free so that you don't have to go get a major case study. They'll just lend it to you. And I had the script in the course, but I didn't actually have me on the phone with an agency. So I recorded an actual call and put that in, and I would never have done that if it wasn't for listening to customers and talking to customers. So we're listening to students, we're gathering feedback. We're also, at the same time, looking at latest trends. So for instance, we used to only recommend Mailshake and Upwork in our course. So those were 2 tools that we were recommending. But then through the last few months, we've had some really good sponsors on this channel. And I've found some very good cold email tools that were even better than Mailshake. So we still have that in the course. But now I have a new tool that's better. We've automated a lot of the warm-ups as well in the course, so we've really improved the flow, and we've changed the way that we talk about generating leads in the course. So all of that is from new information that we found over the last few months. So I could just sit there and be like, oh, this is the perfect course, it's 100% done, but it's not. And so we, as a company, and me personally, I like to be open to new information and changing my mind and changing the process to become the most efficient thing possible. That was the goal with Email 10K 3.0 and 2.0 and 1.0, by the way. And we're getting closer and closer with every iteration. And that's why I wanted to show this to you, because I'm just so excited about the quality of the content that we've put into this course. I love the community that we've built. We're at 265 members as of this recording. We've got a ton of people in here. Khaled is the community manager for the group. His entire job is to keep everybody hyped and working. Carl Jackson is a student. I'm giving feedback on his cold email campaigns in the group. It's just such an amazing community. And that was the main reason I wanted to show you this video, just to try to, I guess I'm bragging a little bit about how good I am at product development. I love the community we have. You guys watching on YouTube are amazing. The people that take the next step and actually do work and are in this community are even more amazing. So I would definitely hop in Email 10K if I were you. And it's just great. I feel the love from you guys. And I don't take questions like this lightly. I see this and I'm like, Jacob cared enough to write this entire paragraph to me. Jarrell cared enough to write this. So when I see this, I want you to know that we take this feedback seriously and then we implement and we get better. And that's what you should be doing in your business as well. Don't see feedback as a negative. Don't put up a brick wall. If you're hearing the same things over and over again, fix them. And I'm just here to tell you, and you can see it in our course if you join, it leads to better products. This video is brought to you by Email 10K. So you don't have a business idea, huh? Do you want to know what the best business to start is, regardless of market conditions? Check out the free presentation at email10k.com. We have over 200 students that are crushing it using this business strategy, even during this time. So check that out, email10k.com. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to smash that like button to encourage this type of content on YouTube. Subscribe for more videos like this. And if you really want to start your business, check out email10k.com. I can confidently say that that is the best way for you to start and grow your business this year. Thanks for watching the video. I am Alex Berman. I'll talk to you later.